Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a pie chart in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and put your mouse cursor anywhere. Now select Insert and select Chart option. And here you will find this pie chart option. Select here. And see this. A new demo pie chart already added here. Now I will customize this chart. Click on this chart and here you will find this three dot option. Select here. Now select Open Source. A new Google Sheet will open. And see this. And this is our data. Now I'll add new series. And change this series name. And I will change this team name. Now I'll change this price. 40 and this is choose 50 and price also here 50 75 100 120. Now double click on this chart and I will find this chart properties, customization option and setup. First I will click setup option. I will add here this rice series, new series. Select here and here you will find this rice price option. Select and see this. That's already added. Now select customization option. I'll change this rice color, green color, and show this. Also change this color, pink. And see this color already saved. And chart title and axis. This title I'll make it center here. Select center. Also make it bold and color will change black. And legend. Legend font here you can change bold. See this legend bold. Color is black. Also you can change font style. Font size you can change. I will make it auto. Now select setup option. Also you can change this pie chart into box chart and 3D pie chart as you like. Now go Google Docs document and select your update and see this. A new pie chart already updated and create. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and